Kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo ba kaya ako'y hagkan at yakapin? Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya'y ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buhok ko, pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mangangarap ng nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y lagi sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko, na 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 babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y lagi sa'yo. Kahit maputi, kahit maputi, kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.
Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the sun does not appear, I will be here. If in the dark we lose sight of love, hold my hand and have no fear, 'cause I will be here. I will be here when you feel like being quiet, when you need to speak your mind. I will listen and I will be here when the laughter turns to crying. Through the winning and losing and trying, we'll be together, 'cause I will be tomorrow morning. If you wake up and the future is unclear, I'll be here. the one who gave you to me.
Kahit sino pa man ang may kagagawan ng iyong pagkabigo, ay isipin na lang na ang buhay kung minsan ay nagbibiro. Nandito kami, ang barkada mong tunay aawit sa'yo. Sa lungkot at ligaya, hirap at ginhawa, kami kasama mo. Ikaw naman. Kung sa pag-ibig may pinagpawayan, kung sa lapi ay wag ng pag-usapan.
Lumalabas ang aming pagkalalaki at merong magagandang mga babae, lalo na pa mga katawan ay kumigilig.
You've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest day.
Happy birthday, Tito Rico! Enjoy this lovely day!
We wish you for the best. God bless. We miss you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ricky. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Hello Kuya, happy birthday, enjoy your day, God bless family, good health, and see you soon.
Happy birthday,
To you!
happy birthday,
To you! Birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
to you. All the best, Kuya Rico. Happy birthday.
Rico, happy birthday, man.
Hi, Ricky, my loving nephew. Though we're miles away, it's a wonderful and lovely feeling to be part of your special day. We would like to wish you a very happy birthday. Also, try to look after yourself. Slow down a bit. You're not getting any younger yourself. You know what I mean. God bless, sending our love to you all, and have a fabulous day.
Happy birthday. This is your 50th year of proving yourself that you are a good person. You have always been a secure person, knowing what and how to act in all situations. You have a bank of propriety. Some people may sneer of you, but never you take it seriously because you knew you never did them wrong. I appreciate the mornings we took breakfast together because this is the time I came to know you better and share my wisdom with you. I will always cherish the toasted baguette and underwood liver spread for breakfast. Thank you for loving and understanding Suzette. I guess this is mutual to the two of you. I will pray for you, Suzette, Elise, and Taze. Long, joyful, healthy, more than sufficient in all your needs. God bless you for and everything about you. Happy birthday.